Go start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And right now I'm looking at this part because in the bigger picture we are within this correction. And right now we're looking for this. All right. Even we can expect this one to continue as an extension, but it would be nice if we see any reversal. That's mean for me, if I want to look for buy, if I want to look for trade, mostly I prefer to look for buy, and I want to see the breakout of this correction, because if we want to look for sell, it can continuous extension, and any trade will be a short-term trade. This is what we see based on, daily chart. But based on daily, we don't see any trade set up for either buy or sell. And if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this correction. Any trade for buy from here, we will take it, and we need to see the breakout of this correction. And for sure, the targets we can look for is the top to see whether the price can break or not, which is 1812. Right? That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And mostly we need to see, at the first we need to see the breakout of 1795 following by 1812. All right. Mostly I don't think we can look for trade based on forward chart, and we prefer to look for trade based on lower time frame. And even if you want to look for buy from 1 hour chart, the only way is to look for their continuation as a short move flag before we take the trade. Having a trade there above desktop or here, I don't suggest it. The only thing is we have to look for the trade setup as a short move flag. All right. And we're looking at this one. And we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the previous top, which is this one. All right. The only thing is how to look for trade. As I mentioned, the only way is to look for continuation as a short move flag. What I want to say is that we are within this correction. As I mentioned, based on daily chart, any trade is a short-term trade. That's why we don't see a really good opportunity to look for buy or sell. Even we can expect to see one move up, then the price drop, similar to any of this. All right. We don't see, for me, I'm not really interested either to look for buy or sell. At this point, I prefer to wait. But if anyone wants to look for trade, we can look for one move up, then we see whether the price can break the previous top or not, because we need to see the breakout of this correction. All right, because mostly we can expect to get one move up. If the price couldn't continue, then the next drop can be sharp as what we had here. All right, anyway, we don't see really good trade setup. With the best things is we wait. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade, I will share. Thanks.